Gracie's out there playing with Daddy. I don't know if you can hear Lily's in there eating Gracie's food. Crunch, crunch, crunch. She trashed the yard today. We got stuff all over the place. Pots and cardboard boxes. She had a good time. She's so cute. Come on, Gracie. That table's a great fort. She loves it under there. Woohoo! She keeps going back underneath. She must have a treasure under there. Well, that was fun. Hi, Steve. No photos, please.